Right, I'm just going to show you how to get a wave when you are blow drying your hair with a roll brush, okay? These are Kent brushes that I use, and they are the Kent Salon ones, okay? And they're bristle brushes that are brilliant. And I love the pointy end, so you can just get your part in really well. Right, so first of all, because I've got naturally curly hair, if I start with doing this and pushing the root back, I'm going to end up with massive bouffant hair, and I don't want that, okay? I want it quite flat, but with just a wave. So what I do is I put it underneath the root, and I smooth it out first of all, okay? Because I want to push the cuticle of that root down. Okay, so do that a couple of times so that the root is coming down. Then I put the brush on top of the hair and blow it backwards. Keep rolling those ends in, get them nice and neatly in. Roll it back. And then turn the hairdryer off a bit, let it cool. And then take it out and just twiddle it back in your fingers like this. And you get that nice soft wave. Yeah, I'll do some more so you can see. Okay, so top of the root. Flatten those roots down. Take it down halfway down the hair shaft. Do that a couple of times. So it really heats it flat. Then put the brush on top of the hair. Go underneath. Keep rolling it. Roll those ends in. And then roll it up. Give it a blow. Take it off. And then take it out, just wind it around your finger, and you get that nice soft, can't see it back there, can you? That nice soft, rolled it the wrong way there, soft wave. All right, hold on, I'll do this one, you can see it a bit better. Down and rolling it back. Get the tension in it. Roll it in, blow it, let it cool for a few seconds, or blow some cold air on it, and then take it out. Okay, and you get that soft wave, a kick at the bottom. Okay, while I'm getting nearer the top, I'll just keep showing you. So put the brush under the hair, right into the roots, flatten those roots down. Okay, do that a couple of times, make sure they're really flat. Then put the brush on top of the hair. Blow underneath to the end, keeping the tension, keep rolling. Roll it in, twist the brush. Use the brush so the handle's pointing to the floor. Okay, you get that curl. Top of the hair. Now I don't want the front too curly, so I'm just going to take the ends in slightly, and I'm not going to roll it right up to the root. I just want a wave at the bottom, just like that, okay, rather than it all be ringlety. Yeah, right, I'll just do some on this side for you. You just pick up, it's that whole bit there. I'm going to split that up. Keep the sections only, you know, not too thick, or you miss some of the root. The worst thing in a blow dry is when there's a few kinky bits going through it. You put it on the, now I'm going to put it on the top of the hair, look, and push that back. And then blow that, keep turning it. Don't let those ends fall off. Now, as I'm coming around the front of the face, I'm not rolling the brush right up to the top because I don't want really tight curls around the front. Okay, so I'm just doing it a bit softer. And you've got time before it cools to just pull the curl down a bit if it's too curly. Okay, and then this one, last one, bring it down. And on top. Honestly, it might look difficult, but as soon as you've done it 2 or 3 times, you get the handle of where you're putting the brush and the dryer. Okay, so there's your bouncy hair blow dry. Normally I'd go for side parting, a bit more like that, but I've blown it in the centre, so I'll keep it in the centre today. And there you go. Oops. There is a bouncy blow dry with a little bit of body, a little bit of wave, a little bit of curl. Da da da.